Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class subject English. Children, already we started the supplementary reading first lesson, that is the never ending story. That story is about Akbar and Birbal. The wisdom in this lesson will come to know how intelligent Birbal is. Already I started this lesson, that the never ending story. In the beginning, what we completed in the last class, that I'll recall so that you'll remember whatever I completed. So what happened here? The Akbar was not feeling well, but that sickness is not so serious, but he was not getting sleep. So that's why he consult all the physicians. They'll come. Physicians means already you know that doctors gave the medicines for him and all, but he didn't got the sleep. So that's why he consulted all the one of the Hakim is also doctor only. In Muslim they'll call that one, isn't it? So the Hakim tells him that you have to listen to the story when you'll go to bed in the night. So the Akbar had the doubt who will tell the story to him. So for that one he says, the courtiers in your court, they'll say every day each one will say the story. So remaining, the next will continue. See, sixth paragraph. Now it became a real problem for the Darbaris. What is that? Darbaris. To tell a tale to their master every night. So what happened? So this Hakim says, told to Akbar, you have to listen to the what? Story. So that what it gives peace, and your mind will be cheerful and fresh. So then you'll get the sleep. But here, so now it is really, now it's become a problem for Darbaris. Who are Darbaris? So the court of native ruler, those who are present in the court, that is ministers and all that, for them we call it as Darbaris. Here only is there, see, the court of a native ruler. So for them, those who are present in the court, they are become the big problem. To tell a tale is nothing but a story to their master every night. Every night they have to say the story, not only one day or 2 days, every day. For though they manage to tell a story, so they are ready to tell. Who? Darbaris are ready to say the story. As the emperor would not sleep, they were telling the story, but emperor, who is the emperor? Akbar was the emperor, but he was not getting sleep. The minister had to add on another tale to the first and go on with it. So what happened if they say the one story? Akbar was not sleeping. They have to, because that was the condition only, no? Until Akbar goes to sleep, till then they have to say the story. But here, these Darbaris, they started telling the story, but one story, when they completed one story, the Akbar was not sleeping. So they have to add means what? They have to say another story. Another story to the first one, and they have to go on, they have to tell the story. So that becomes a problem. One story we can say, but for that another, to continuously they have to say. That is become the big problem for all the Darbaris. So what is the sixth one? Darbaris, now they have to face the problem. What problem? Till emperor gets sleeps, they have to say. They started to say the story, they don't have any problem. But what the problem is there? Akbar was not getting sleep, so they have to add the story to 1, 2, 3, 4 like this continuously. They have to say that too. First one, what they say, no, that should be continued. So that will become the big problem for all the Darbaris. Next, and this went on till not the listener but the storyteller began to feel sleepy. So here what happened? Akbar was not getting sleep, but the Darbaris, those who are telling the story, they were getting this. They are feeling sleepy. Who are feeling sleepy? Darbaris were feeling sleepy. But is that Akbar? No, he was not. So, and this went on till And this went on till, this was going, they have to say the story till the morning. But not the listener. Who is the listener here? Akbar is the listener. But the storyteller, who are the storytellers? Darbaris are the storytellers. So who is the listener? Akbar is the listener. Who is the storyteller? Darbaris. Began to feel sleepy. Who are began to sleepy? So Darbaris are begin to sleep. Is that Akbar was getting sleep? No. So this is problem only, no. So how long you will be telling story, but the listener, who is the listener? The person who listens is not getting sleep at all. Those who are telling, he's feeling sleep. They are feeling sleepy. See here, went is there. Went is the past form of go, and then begin is the present form. Began is the past form. That is V2 form. So you have to see all these things while you are reading. See, went, what is the present form? Go. Isn't it? Go, went, gone. Isn't it? So, here begin, began, begin. Isn't it? So, next is the 8th. In the end, not knowing to get out of this situation. Say they don't know how to come out of this problem. Situation is nothing but situation is what they are doing. That is the situation. In the end. So daily it is going. Every night it was going like that only. The Darbaris don't know what to do. They wanted to come out of this problem. So get out of this problem. Get out of this situation. What is that? Get out. Come out. Come out of this problem. So the Darbaris consulted Birbal. So they don't know what to do, how to come out of this problem. So finally all the Darbaris consulted. What is the consulted mean? So they wanted to take advice. See here only is there in glossary, to ask for someone for some information or advice. They wanted to take advice how to come out of this problem, how to stop this. Isn't it? He agreed to tell a story to the emperor to put him to sleep. So everyone went. Everyone means who? Darbaris all went near whom? Whom? Birbal. Why they went? So they are all tired of telling stories to whom? Akbar. Is it Akbar was getting sleep? No. Only these people, Darbaris, they are feeling sleepy. So it's one night means okay. Every night each one have to say. Isn't it? That is a big problem for all. So then what they have done? They went near whom? Birbal. Why? To help him or to take the advice. They went him. So he agreed. What is the meaning? He said, okay, I help you. So he is ready to tell the story. To the whom? Emperor. Who is the emperor? Keep in mind, Akbar is the emperor. Put him to sleep. So he said, okay, I'll tell him story and he'll sleep. He'll go to sleep. Okay. Once again, I'll read. See, keep your... And this went on till not the listener, but the storyteller began to feel sleepy. In the end, not knowing to get out of this situation, the Darbaris consulted Birbal. He agreed to tell a story to the emperor to put him to sleep. Next. Who went now to tell the story? Birbal. To whom? Akbar. The emperor welcomed Birbal. So naturally, if anyone comes, we'll also welcome wholeheartedly. Here is the emperor. He welcomed whom? Birbal. Why? To say the story. And the later narrated, nearer to the end of a period of time. So he started. Later is the, what is, till the end of this story, he started telling. Who started telling the story? Birbal. See, the emperor welcomed whom? Birbal. And the latter narrated. So here he is latter narrated. Narrated means what? He started telling story. He explained the story. To whom? Who explained? Birbal explained story to whom? Whom? Akbar. At the end of which the emperor, finally the story came to an end, as his habit asked what happened then. So the story he started telling story. Who started telling story? Birbal started telling story. The story came to an end. So then what happened? So as usual, he's having that habit. Who's having habit? Akbar is having habit, was having habit. So okay, next what? What happened then? Tell me, next what? Next what? They'll say no. Like that, he started asking, next what? So when Darbaris requested or asked advice, he was ready to go. Birbal went near whom? Akbar, and he started telling the story. Story came to an end. Then Akbar asked, what next? See again, I'll read. The emperor welcomed Birbal and later narrated a story to him, at the end of which the emperor, as was his habit, asked what happened then. That what happened then means next what? Next what? What next? So if you have any doubt, the glossary is here only. So people make you to understand better. So whichever the word is, you are not able to know you don't know the meaning. So that is given below. So please see that one. Birbal told him another tale. So next what Akbar asked, he started telling another tale. Already I told you what is the meaning of tale? Story. But as soon as it was over, what is the meaning? The second story is also come to an end. That is the meaning. As soon as it was over. The first story he told. So the story came to an end. So then Akbar asked what happened then. Then Birbal started telling another story. So that is also came to an end. Was over means came to. He was confronted. So he started he was confronted with the same royal question. What next? So confronted means here he asked. Who asked? Akbar asked again the same question. What question? What next? So first one is stopped. Second one he continued. So his second one is also came to an end. So then the Akbar asked the same question. What next? So a third story followed, and this time too, as it came to an end, the emperor asked what next. First story finished, second story finished. Now the third story is also continued. So and this time also, two means here this time also, as it came to an end, which came to an end? Third story came to an end. The emperor asked what next. First story completed, second story completed, third story completed. At the end of every story, each story, what was the question of Akbar? What next? What next? So I'll read once again. See, Birbal told him another tale, but as soon as it was over, he was confronted with the same royal question. What next? So a third story followed, and this time too, as it came to an end, the emperor asked what next. So next, move on to the next. In order to put an end to this, Birbal began his new tale thus. So Birbal is not a foolish fellow. He was very intelligent. So he wanted to put an end to what next? Isn't it? So that's why what happened. In order to put an end to this, Birbal began his new tale thus. So you have to put full stop for this storytelling. So that's why he started telling another. Began means started. It's a past form. His new tale like this. In a certain jungle, there was a hut. A bill stayed in it. In one of the jungle, in jungle means what? Forest. In one of the forest, who was living, there was a hut. You know, no? Hut, what is hut? The hut is built by using what? Mud and then straw. Straw means grass, dry grass, isn't it? And then coconut leaves. So by that we call it as hut. In one of the forest, there was hut. Where is the hut? Hut is in forest. Hut was there. there who was staying, a Bill stayed in it. Who was what is the name of the person who is staying in hut? Bill. B-H-I-L. B-H-I-L. Bill is the name of a person. Yes. Who said? Okay. So understood. So 3 stories completed. Akbar was not sleeping. He's asking what next, was next. So somehow he has to stop this. Who have? Birbal. So that's why Birbal started telling another story. He started the story like this. There was a forest. In that forest there was a hut. In that who was living? A Bill was living. So yes. So in order to put an end to this, Birbal began his new tale thus. In a certain jungle there was a hut. A Bill stayed in it. Yes. Next one. The jungle was inhabited by different kinds of birds and beasts. So naturally in forest, inhabited. What inhabited? Living by different. Only one type of animals will be living. They are inhabited by so many types. Different types of birds and beasts. Beasts means animals. Different types of. So in forest what? There was living different types of birds and animals. And though the Bill was capable of protecting himself from the animals, but who is Bill? The person who was living in hut. Where is the hut? The hut is in jungle. He was able to protect from the animals. In forest, all types of, isn't it, cruel animals, poisonous animals, all he know how to protect himself from the animals. His great problem was the birds. He was able to protect himself by the animals, but the main problem is the birds, who went to his hut and came out carrying in their beaks grains of corn. Why the birds were giving a lot of problem? The birds will go inside his hut, and then with the beaks, you all know, no, beaks will be there, no, in front of the birds. So how they will be, with the help of mouth will eat, with the help of mouth we will eat, with the help of beaks they'll take. Have you all seen a sparrow? If you have not observed today, you observe. See how crows and sparrows and parrots they'll take. That is, front will be there, no, beaks will be there. With the help of that beaks, these birds, they'll take the grains of corn. Corn means what? Nothing but maize. Isn't grains means one grain will be called that. One grain is that we call it as grains. Yes. The jungle was inhabited by different kinds of birds and beasts, and though the Bill was capable of protecting himself from the animals, his great problem was the birds who went to his hut and came out carrying in their beaks grains of corn. Yes. For a long time, the Bill thought over the problem of getting rid of the birds. In the end, he succeeded in finding a way out. So many days he thought of how to come out of this problem. Getting rid means come out of this problem. What problem? Birds were carrying the grains. Finally he got an idea to get rid of this problem. What problem? The problem for Bill was the birds will go inside the hut and they'll take the grains. Naturally, all the birds, if they take, he'll be in loss. The grains, all it will get, one day it will become over. So that's why he thought of a plan. So finally he was succeeded. He was successful in that, finding a plan. Yes. The Bill went to the market and bought a big basket. So what was the plan for him? So finally he got an idea. So he went to market and bought a big basket. You all know a basket. So for what happened? So we all know that Bill was living in a forest. In that forest, animals, he was not afraid of animals, but the problem was birds. Birds, they used to come and they'll take the grains of corn. So for that he was thinking, finally he got an idea. So that what was the idea? He went to market and took a basket. Okay, next. Yes, what next? Well, this who is what is this? This is a story. Who was explaining? Birbal was explaining to whom? Whom? Akbar. So then again asked, yes, what next? He kept all the grains of corn in the basket and closed its lid tightly. So who? Birbal continued his story. He said, he kept, who is the he here? Here the bill is the he here. He kept all the grains of corn in the basket and closed the lid. What is the meaning of lid? So if your bottle is there, if you open, what happen? The water will spill. But for that, what you'll close that one. That closing we call it as a lid. He closed the lid of the basket. So what happened? He kept all the grains in the basket and then he closed its lid. Which lid? Basket's lid tightly. So again Akbar asked, yes, what next? When the birds as usual entered the hut, not finding their food anyway, turned their attention to the baskets. So as usual, every day how the birds will come, like that only the birds came inside the Bill's hut, but they were not able to see the what? Food. What is the food? Grains of corn. Not. Why? So they all turned towards the basket. They came to know the grains are in the basket. What happened then? Then again the Birbal asked, next what happened? So here he brought the basket. Bill brought the basket and kept the grains in that one. Again the birds came next day. The birds started searching for the food. They are not able to find, but they came to know that all the grains are kept inside the basket. So then what happened then? So for you people all, keep curious what happens next. You will continue in that next one. So till then, read the whatever the paragraph I completed and then write the copywriting, and then glossary is also given. Write that one five times. Work is not coming from your side. Only the teacher's efforts are there. From your side, no positive answer is not coming. Please children, work and do the work. So be curious what happens next. So like how the Akbar is curious, you people also keep yourself curious what happens next. So we'll continue this in next class. Till then, bye children. Okay.